lying down comfortably, however that looks for you. Trusting whatever your body is requesting, hitting pause if you need to and coming back when you're ready. And once you are, softly close those gorgeous eyes of yours and begin to draw your awareness in, tuning into breath and body, letting the air flow as freely as it wishes, and exploring how good it feels to do so. How good does the air feel to breathe when you let it go freely? Get a sense of how rich and delicious the air really is. This nourishment that is always right there for you that we so often take for granted, but is truly so remarkable. Become aware of it all around you, eager to nourish you. Feel how the air has no agenda. And perhaps eager is not even the right energy, but can you feel its willingness? It is so willing to be breathed by anyone. It is not holding on to conditions about who can breathe and how they can breathe it. It is offering itself up at all times, always ready to be used without seeking appreciation in return. Why is that? What if the air that holds no judgment towards anything? What if that same air that flows freely wherever it's called is also one of our greatest teachers? What if we can learn from the air we breathe? Are there ways you and your body wish to be used by the earth, by life itself, in ways that would make you feel so good, in ways in which there is no judgment on your part, just openness, just like the air, open to receive and experience whatever comes up for you. What if it truly is possible for you to live that freely, as free as the air? Does something within you feel a yes to this? How perhaps over the years other messages have been received, but they perhaps were keeping us limited and smaller than we are. helps us remember who we truly are. 3. Vast and a gift for the planet and each other, just like the air. I invite you to spend a few breaths just enjoying how this feels. Letting go of any logic the mind might be trying to insert, just because it's a machine that's been fed certain things so far and believes them. But let it know you are now giving energy to something greater than that. And soon the mind will also widen and expand and follow suit. But for now, as you stay present with your breath and body and how this feels, if the thinking mind does try to intervene, let it know it's okay. And then just return to how you feel. Inviting your awareness to stay so present with your breath. And the spaciousness of the air within you and around you. And every now and then when you feel the vastness of that energy and you feel yourself as such, feel free to affirm to yourself, I am that. I am. Feel the freshness of this energy. And imagine you're making yourself available to the planet, available to any and all opportunities that you are a match for your highest, most loving good. Feeling the joyous energy of all of this and inviting it into your experience. Now you imagine sending your energy out to the world, however your imagination shows you this. This is truly a sensing procedure more than a logical one, and you can only get it right for you. So imagine your awareness and your energy are now traveling all across the world. And the energy of all that's right for you gets picked up, bumps into your energy like a warm embrace, like two happy kids who are friends who haven't seen each other in a long time and who do right now acknowledge each other. There's this yay energy in it. And now invite yourself to pull all that energy in towards you, using your inhales to breathe it into your experience, and using your exhales to let it travel through your body with no attachment to needing anything to happen, to any timeline or any specific allows itself to be breathed whenever you feel like breathing it. And with this very natural sense of presence, with this very natural sense of being of service in a new way, stay connected to that energy. Feel it all within you. Say thank you. And remain in this feeling as long as you wish. And when you are ready to come out of this, do so by taking your time, rolling your shoulders,